That is not the same truck I bought back in February. Alright, back to unboxing some tire machines. Me and my buddy went and hot-shotted these all the way from Brookshire, Texas back to the house. Just pulled them out the back of the truck, which we had to use to offload them off his trailer. And then, you know, by myself. So we got the cherry pickers working, and that is going to be the mount dismount machine. And the one behind it's going to be the tire balancing machine. And here is a 10,000 pound 2-post lift. So let's turn this big carport into something workable. All right, cool. Y'all are chilling on my cherry picker. Let me break this thing out the box and see what it looks like. Just got tired of going down to the tire shop, spending $100 every time I need to get burnout tires put on some rims. So, here it is. This is the, man, it's the real deal. All right, let's keep on creating here. That's it. And I got to figure out where to put it. Some assembly required. This is awesome, baby. Whatever Katool means, but it's the KT-800 or KT-T800. If any of y'all watching has one of these and uses one, let me know how y'all like it. I'll let you know how I like this one. It was a box deal off of eBay for $19,999.99, basically $2 grand plus tax. And this is some heavy duty stuff, man. I like this. This will work for me. I mean, if it's intended for commercial use, it'll never be put through that much use where you know, here at the shop. But I was looking around my yard between all the trailers I have and the wheels and tires and vehicles and stuff I acquire. This will pay for itself in a month. And then I got friends that do burnouts and change tires like underwear, and I want to go mud tires, I want to go street tires. Well, come on, dude, throw $5 in the bucket, come use it. That's great. So finish cracking this thing open and start putting it together. This is heavy duty stuff, dude. I'm impressed. This is like legit shop equipment. Hope it works like legit shop equipment, but I mean, I'll never wear this thing out. It's full of oil for packaging. Can't hardly pick it up and get it out of the box. It doesn't look like it comes with feet, so I'm gonna have to put some feet on it. pretty detailed instructions on how to put it all together and how to use it. This is a quick glance through how to hook it all up. Yeah, not too bad. I'm impressed. I mean, so I got that one marked just about there. Let's go ahead and mark this one. Let's see what I'm doing. Does not have to be perfect, just has to be close. And I got some treated 1x6 left over from I don't remember. But those will work on the floor so the concrete doesn't rot the untreated wood, which won't rot the painted steel. Got a plan. Let's do it. Alright, that thing is ridiculously loud. That's why I call it my ignorant fan. It is loud, but it's hot. So I'm gonna let that play and hammer all this stuff together and just show you how I did it. Keep it off the ground. So the treated wood touching the concrete, it won't rot. You know, it's galvanized nails into, well, through the treated into the regular wood. Those won't rot. And now I'm going to take the packing nails, or lags, or whatever they are. These guys right here, they're just like a zinc coated. They'll last outside, but not in the weather or anything. But they wouldn't last in treated wood because the copper naphthenate would eat through this. I'd have to have some type of special deck coating. And we got these, why go get more? So I'm gonna zip these in, and we got our tire machine on feet. Tire machine on feet, it won't rot. Let's put the crane on it. A bag of bolts and washers and nuts. Let's see, are these pre-threaded? It'd be awesome if they were threaded. Oh, they threaded, bruh. That's simple. Let's go back. We give you 6 bolts with lock washers and flat washers. I'm a sucker for washers, and all these holes are threaded, so that worked out pretty good. It's front heavy, so make sure you keep pressure on the back. And those rear holes are threaded. Center it up and drop them in. They'll find their home. Looks like about a 14 millimeter or 9/16. Got the mast on. That's what you want to call it. And looking more like a tire machine every second. So here's the tire breaker. Slides in there. Washer and the nut. Yeah, you want it tight enough that it'll stay but still rotate. Without a whole lot of. There you go. Set it and forget it. Alright, I turned off the #1 noise maker here, just so I could talk to y'all for a minute. This machine came pretty much put together. Had to add oil to this. I got it running off my little pancake compressor. Let's see if it'll do it. It's sitting at 65, 70. It's not even on. But I got to put on the tire deal here. Tire gauge, filler. And this kind of mounts with these holes to right there. Do this. That one hangs, this one goes all the way through. Instructions how to put all this on. This is already done. So throw a tire on there and see how it works. Yeah, baby. Old rusty junk out the way. There you go. It's a 14x6. Tires rusted to it. $900. I'm impressed. You got your inflator. Catch the wheels to the right size. Your hooks. Oh, you need to clean it. And you got your little tire deal. You pull it off the rim right here. And then you got your table spinner. Get it off the rim. That already paid for itself.
Hey, I'll go figure, it's raining again. Thank God I built this roof over my head, because you just can't build stuff out in the yard when you don't have a place to do it. So I went and I got my 24x30 shop closed in with a 28x32 roof. Now I got to stock it with tools, so my buddy and I just took a road trip to Texas to get some lifts and tire machines. That way I can make this all happen. Appreciate y'all pressing that like and subscribe button and help me grow this channel. You know there's some bigger stuff coming when you got the legit tools to do it with, so hang in there, y'all. Let's build something together. Check me out next week. Appreciate it. Bye.